Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on an unboxing and some detailed specs on the Feyachi brand name WL25 flashlight. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Here we have their box. Now everything Feyachi is top grade. I've had and reviewed a lot of things on my channel, and if you're getting it from Feyachi, it's one of the best. So we have a small instruction manual, nothing really technical here. Allen wrenches to adjust the scope. The flashlight. That's the battery charger. And we have a Velcro tie strap. Keep your straps nice on your flashlight. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We have the on-off power switch and just fast on, fast off, I call it. So it's basically just a power switch. And we get an extra battery. I've already put a battery in the flashlight, and it is bright. It's 1200 lumens. There's the flash mode, and there's the bright mode. So that's it. Okay, let's go over some of the specs on this. It's durable construction. The Feyachi flashlight is made of tactical grade anodized aluminum alloy with a lot of abrasive resistance for long lasting performance. Black anodized matte finish, which makes it durable and shockproof. Has blinding brightness. The LED solid power regulation provides maximum illumination of 1200 lumens and a 200-meter beam, impervious to shock with a 50,000-hour battery life. It delivers IPX5 waterproof level, which makes the light rugged, durable, and combat ready. It has two types of switches, comes with a constant on button switch and a momentary on pressure switch, which three types of light modes, has high, low, and strobe. Can be changed via the tail switch and strobe for various lighting requirements. Easy to install, featuring a dedicated fixed mount for the Picatinny rail. Can be quickly attached or detached structure in seconds. It has a warranty, 12 months. So that was my video on Feyachi's WL25 flashlight. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.